What is going on, YouTube? What's really happening? Pete717 with you again. This is the beginning, part 1 of 2012 WRX build. After months of thinking and going back and forth and trying to figure out what to do with that beast, sell it or keep it or rebuild it. Hold on, let me pull you guys in. Here. After months and months of thinking and going back and forth to keep it or not to keep it, I decided to keep the car. I'm gonna sell the bug eye. It's listed for sale right now. If I sell bug eye for a listed bug eye for 12,000, if I sell that, that's not even gonna cover the engine. So it's gonna the engine will consume the bug eye and some. At the end, we'll put together the numbers, what came out of it, by looking at the videos and seeing other builds and following a couple of guys that had built up truck 2012 or 2014 WRXs. It's gonna be awesome build. I'm gonna enjoy building it. I hope you guys enjoy watching this and the rest of the episodes. Now, where are we going today? Today is a day 1 beginning of this build, and I'm driving to New Jersey. It's about an hour and 45-minute drive to pick up an engine. It's a STI engine from 2014, WRX STI. It's a running engine. Car was in the wreck. Okie doke, an update. She is in. We got her in the back. Driving home on New Jersey Turnpike. And there she is. There you go. This is it. And there she is on the stand, ready to be stripped down, cleaned, clean all the parts, order parts that's been broken or needs to be replaced, all kinds of other things. I'm gonna drain the oil now, get the oil filter, and start stripping it down slowly. Nothing crazy. I got a lot of, external stuff off. Some hoses on that side. Pretty much that is taken apart. A lot of plugs unplugged. So this is it. Gonna come back tomorrow, probably take the manifold off and disconnect all the harnesses and clean up and just have a lone block and start taking heads out. So there you go. That's it for today. That's probably gonna make it today's episode. Super tired. It's Saturday. I'm just burned out. Got up early, all day driving and all that stuff. I need to go home. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Stay subscribed. Next episode, stripping it down, cracking it open, looking at what inside of what's inside of that engine, and more stuff to come, building it up. And thank you, stay tuned, see you in the next one.